As reactions from across the city continue to pour in, communities like Sunnyside are sharing the impact they felt from the native Houstonian, who is always proud of his Houston roots. Andy Sirota is live at Sunnyside Health and Multi-Service Center with a closer look at his lasting legacy in that community. Andy.
Zach, during his time in office, Mayor Turner championed infrastructure improvements, public safety initiatives, economic development, and access to health care here in the Sunnyside community. I want to bring in Ms. Cynthia Farm. She served as the deputy political director for Mayor Turner during his time in office. Thank you so much for being here, Cynthia. You and I started texting shortly after learning of the mayor's passing. You described him as a man of integrity and someone who cared deeply about the seniors in this community. Tell me about that.
Yes, the mayor, he cared deeply about the seniors. He passed a utility bill for the seniors because the seniors had to decide, by being on low income or fixed income, if they wanted to pay for their medication or if they wanted to pay their bills. They had to make a choice between the two. So he took it to legislation and had a bill passed. And that's why, through Baker Ripley and other agencies, the seniors are being able to get their bills paid.
What is your fondest memory of Mayor Turner?
My fondest memory is when he first got in office, Hurricane Harvey hit. He immediately put his boots on the ground, rolled his sleeves up, and got to work. And a lot of people got help during Hurricane Harvey. He loved the community. He always had annually Sylvester Turner Park Day, where he loved to dance and do the Cupid Shuffle. But he's going to be truly missed. He really cared for the people, and he couldn't stop serving.
You talk about his love for the community. How did his leadership style influence the way that he addressed the challenges here in Sunnyside?
He always addressed the challenges, no matter what it was. He was always there for the people, came out for the people. Whatever we needed, he was there. As for instance, like I said, with the light bill part, if anybody needed anything, their homes fixed, or we could reach out to his office for anything.
He was deeply involved in revitalizing historically underserved communities like Sunnyside. What would you say his most significant achievement is in that arena?
Well, he did the complete communities in Sunnyside, South Park, and other areas of town. He started helping with a lot of drainage and infrastructure. Now, one of the biggest projects that I can say that he helped the community with was when one of our seniors got killed over here in Sunnyside coming from church, and we needed a red light put up. Miss Wilma Jordan was killed. She was knocked 9 feet in the air, and we needed a light put up. And we didn't have to wait for the CIP once he got in the capital improvement project when he got in office. When we went to City Hall, a bus load of us from Anna Dupree Terrace and other seniors around the way, we went to City Hall. He got with TxDOT right immediately. He and Senator Boris Miles, and they got a $900,000 project done in 3 months. They got a traffic signal for the seniors and the kids off of Cullen.
So he was a man of action. And before we let you go, you were close to him. What would you say his legacy is going to be, not just here in Sunnyside, but for the city of Houston as a whole?
His legacy is the state of Texas, because he served over 30-something years as a state rep. Then he came and became the mayor for 8 years. And then he couldn't stop serving, and then he wanted, to be the congressman, even though he had medical conditions. He just couldn't stop serving. It was in his blood. And he was a good man and a man of integrity, and he's going to be truly missed.
And you did not come here alone. You brought a group of folks who are all in some way connected to Mayor Turner.
Yes. I brought some of our civic members, Miss Joyce Lowe and Miss I.
I'm a member of the Civic Club.
Yes.
Cynthia is our president. She's a great lady. She always bring us information because she bees all over the city herself.
And your thoughts about learning of Mayor Turner's passing
It
this
was
morning?
a shock when she called and told me. And he'll truly be missed. Not only here, Acres Home gonna miss him. Sure.
Thank you very much. And Cynthia, thank you, and thank all of you for being out here this morning. Certainly, the mayor's leadership has left a mark not just here in Sunnyside, but all across Houston.
And leaving a hole in our hearts. This is the hat I used to wear for his campaign. So he's going to be truly missed. And we have sending our condolences to the family, to Ashley and the family, and he just had a grandbaby that he was so proud of. So we just want to let him know he'll be missed, and thank him for all of his hard work and serving our community.
And thank you for being out here and sharing your stories with us today. Cynthia, thank you. So again, Zach, Sunnyside, just one community here in Houston where the mayor certainly left his mark. And again, we know that in neighborhoods all across Houston, his leadership leaving its mark as well. Zach.
Yeah, great impact throughout Sunnyside, as you mentioned, Andy, and beyond the greater Houston community.